If you need a machine you can customize and configure to match a variety of jobs, the Vermeer RTX750 ride-on tractor may be right for you. The RTX750 is a compact, productive machine well-suited to work in tight spaces, whether you're plowing utility lines or creating a trench. Let's dive into some of the major features that make this machine rise above. The RTX750 is a highly customizable machine with a variety of attachments available. Choose from trenchers to rock wheels, a plow, a combo, and more to help get the job done. Those are just some of the attachments for this machine. Another customization feature is the Quadtrax system. This offers high flotation and tractive effort. You can change out the Quadtrax for rubber tires, allowing you to choose the right configuration for the job site. With both options, the RTX750 offers 4-wheel and crab steering, which gives you ideal maneuverability. Speaking of maneuverability, another key component of the RTX750 is its compact footprint. It is 10.5 feet long and 72 inches wide with rubber tires. This makes it well suited for tight job sites and congested residential areas, letting you maneuver swiftly. Another way to be swift is with the TrenchSense electronic control system. When you run into difficult digging conditions, the TrenchSense system can react quickly to help prevent engine stalling. By eliminating the need to return the controls to neutral and restart, the whole sequence occurs within seconds, which maximizes productivity. Staying on the topic of controls, the RTX750 has the same common controls as the rest of the RTX lineup. This helps operators become efficient and productive since they don't have to learn all new controls for each machine they operate. In addition to common controls, another helpful feature for operators is the integrated system display. This lets the operator conveniently monitor important machine functions. Plus, there's also the capability to monitor the percentage of hydrostatic capacity use. This can be especially useful when training new operators. The intuitive controls and design, along with the customization and compact size, make the RTX750 well-suited for whatever the job site demands. For more information about this machine, contact your local Vermeer dealer or visit Vermeer.com.